Authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Meeker, MN. At 8:52 p.m. on February 26, 2023 until 9:52 p.m. Do not drink Bird Dog apple flavored whiskey, Bacardi Dragonberry, and Ron Diaz Gold Rum and then proceed to cook BBQ pulled chicken and roasted sweet potatoes with cheese. Do not cook food while drunk. You will overcook them and it will taste awful. If intoxicated, do not cook food. If you do, you will be subjected to the punishment of having to eat it. This message was transmitted at the request of Minnesquani.